Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I love using this eSalon Classic Shampoo for after I color my hair. It's so gentle, and most importantly, it's for color treated hair. So I don't feel like I'm stripping the color out that I just put in my hair. But I still get a nice lather, so I feel like my hair is still getting nice and clean. And its ingredients make my hair feel hydrated and soft and shiny. I love the clean smell too. It makes it enjoyable to use, and it feels so good to massage into my scalp and roots right down to the ends. This eSalon Classic Shampoo is a staple in my hair care routine for my color treated hair. And that's my point of view.